So DDV-J6. This is a new built-in camcorder.
Yeah.
Built-in, what's it called, projector?
Projector.
LCOS, qvga.
QVGA. But basically it's a camcorder function, but with projector has a value added function.
Could you film me? Make a video of me? So you click on the settings here, and now it's video mode. And do a video.
Yes.
So you're recording now? This is little.
Yes.
This is a little light.
Yes.
It blinks when you record.
Yes.
Can I see how it looks?
I pay for it.
It's there, and then you stop the video.
Yes, stop the video.
And then now let's do a projection.
Okay.
Should we do the white wall here? Okay.
And I pay the shipping, inland shipping.
So here's the video. Oh, it's projecting.
Yes.
So where do you change the focus? There?
Here. On the corner there is a focus adjustment.
Did you? Can I hold it?
Yes.
Maybe this. Just let's push the play button. All right. Where's the play?
Yeah.
There it is.
It's too short. I have to film
No problem.
longer.
All right. So how much is this going to cost? Maybe.
Cost?
Yeah,
Retail price
Maybe.
$2.99.
When is it available?
Already launched last September.
September. Where? Everywhere in the world?
Yeah, worldwide.
All right.